Welcome to eumo.co. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a stunning picture mosaic in just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Choose the main image that will form your picture mosaic. This is the final image that your mosaic will resemble. You can also adjust the level of clarity to determine how much detail your masterpiece will have. Next, in step 2, pick the images you want to use as tiles. The more diverse the colors, the better your mosaic will match the original image. This adds depth and uniqueness to your mosaic. Now, for step 3, simply click the Generate button to create your picture mosaic. Once the mosaic is generated, eumo.co offers optional filters that can be applied for the perfect finishing touch. These filters will help the mosaic resemble the original image even more closely. After you're happy with the final result, you can save, download, or even print your picture mosaic directly from the website. And that's it. In just 3 easy steps, you can transform your cherished memories into a beautiful mosaic with eumo.co. Get started today and turn your memories into a masterpiece.